If you're used to other CAD programs like AutoCAD, you're probably familiar with array commands. But when you search for array in Fusion, you won't find it. No worries, Fusion has the same functionality, just under a different name. Head to the Create drop-down menu and open Patterns. Here, you'll find options like rectangular and circular patterns, as well as pattern on path and geometric patterns. Geometric patterns require a Fusion design extension. Let's dive into the rectangular pattern. Simply select the pattern type, object type, the objects themselves, and your axis. You can easily adjust your pattern using the handlebars or the data input boxes. If you've used pattern tools in other CAD software, you'll feel right at home with Fusion's pattern tools. For more time-saving Fusion tips, check out the rest of this playlist.